when doing research, it's sometimes hard to know what to type into Google or a library database to find the resources that you need. So here are 4 strategies. The first is to circle the important words in your thesis and try those. So if you remember the template that I've given you in the debatable thesis video to create a working thesis, you can look at to find some of those keywords. So for example, I'm working on the topic of online education. All right, so right there, that's a good keyword to use. It's short and precise, online education. Because I want to find out if degrees earned online, right, that's giving me another idea. Perhaps I can use online degrees, search term as well. Maybe online degrees are just as good as ones earned in the physical classroom. So maybe I could say like traditional degrees. Maybe that would give me points. So looking at your overall thesis is a great place to start. Next, use specific nouns. So say online education, C.S. Lewis, molecular degeneration, PTSD. Try to be as specific as you can to get results. One thing to note as well, phrases like how to build teamwork can work okay in Google. They do not work well in library databases. Those databases are not programmed to search for questions. They're really programmed to search for specific keywords, usually like 1 or 2 nouns, like C.S. Lewis or molecular degeneration. All right, third, think of synonyms for the important words in your thesis. So maybe that would require even going to an online thesaurus and typing in my keywords and finding what other similar words will come up. And then fourth, look at the subject terms within the library database. All right, so I went to the library database, EBSCOhost, and I searched online education, and these are the results that came up. If I look at the subject terms, I'll see that my subject term, online education, came up, but I also see some other subject terms that were related to this article, and one of them is distance education. So this sounds like a pretty close synonym to online education, and I might try searching distance education to see if I can get some more results or results that are closer to what I need for my research paper. So overall, these are just 4 strategies used to help you find the search terms that you need to do your research.